Good afternoon, this is Ron Johnson with HTP, an American Standard and Ariston Group here at the AHR Show 2025. And we're going to go over one of our mainstay products that we have for the commercial category. It's our high efficiency, fully condensing product. This is our Pheonix Multi-Fit. This is our commercial product that's going to go into your larger applications. This is great for hotels, gyms, anything that requires a large amount of hot water quickly. Through our Pheonix Multi-Fit model, this is a stainless steel tank with a copper nickel heat exchanger on the inside. Both are corrosion resistant due to the nature of their metals. So this is a long-standing, long-life product. This has a 3-year warranty, upgradable to 5 years that you can get from us as well. So it's very competitive in the commercial market. Here's a couple of things that I'd like to really mention that's really important on this unit. Number one is the weight. This unit is only 315 pounds, so you can see I can pretty much move it pretty easy by myself. Well, in that category that this unit competes in, most of the units are 600 to 700 to 800 pounds. So this is a two-man job in terms of installing this unit. It's 96% efficient, so you're saving all of that money, not wasting it up the flue stack. You're putting it into it and transferring it to the water. In terms of the technology of the control system that you see here, this is a fully modulating 5-to-1 turn down unit. What does that mean? Well, it's kind of like cruise control on your car. When you need power, it drives power. When you don't need power, it takes it away. That's what our control system does on the Pheonix Multi-Fit. When you need a lot of hot water, it's going to modulate all the way up to full open on the gas valve. When you only open one faucet and you need a little bit of hot water, this is going to modulate at 20% of the firing rate. It's giving you the power when you need it, but it's also taking care of the components on the inside as well. So again, we have this in our standard Pheonix. We have it in 55, 80, 100 and 119 gallon capacities. Again, come with a 5-year warranty out of the box, lightweight, super advantageous for the contractors. One other thing, and the last thing that we'll talk about, is the water connections on top, water connections on side, so you get that flexibility in the installation. And also with our controls located here on the front, there's no need for an A-frame ladder because most of the competitors in this group is a down-fired unit, so you got to get up here on the top and work on the unit. With our controls being on the front, they can access it pretty easily, no need for a ladder, and the controls here on the front for you to see whatever you do to the unit, you're going to get an instant notification of what the changes are on it. So this is our Pheonix Multi-Fit commercial water heater from HTP. My name is Ron Johnson, Ariston Group, and thank you for having me.